By turning our public services over to private for-profit companies, we essentially commodify those human services and put quality, accessibility, and our values at risk.
Healthcare workers know their residents, they know their families, they know when something is wrong, they know what comforts someone, and they know what upsets them. And because of that knowledge, which can only be built over time, they are able to provide residents with a caring community of support, and that is just as important as the daily tasks they perform. You know, that's why the BC Ombudsperson has urged government to address this issue of large-scale staff replacement in seniors' care, and that's a recommendation that government still rejects.
The workers of New Horizon, they don't want much. They want a fair wage. They want to be treated with respect. They want a chance to deliver the health care to some of our most vulnerable citizens and to our elderly. They want to work in an environment that allows them to practice the skills that they have learned through the education and the years of work experience that they've put on. When a company like this can come into our community and arbitrarily do these mass layoffs that affect the very people that deliver the services that our seniors and our most vulnerable citizens needs, there needs to be a change. And we as a community, we have to stand up, because if we don't, this is just going to get worse.
Your actions and treatments of your employees is something that happens in third world countries, not Canada, and have caused our community to be very upset. Instead of being treated well, as your employees should be, you choose to lower their standard of living and greatly upset the residents by turfing your employees unless you choose to rehire them with reduced wages and benefits and no seniority.
We can make a difference. We as a people, we've got people out here today, angry, working together. We've got people signing petitions. We as a people can make change because we actually have right on our side. We know what is right. We know that it's right to put people before profits.
Thank you all for being here today. People say it's a lousy day. I think it's a wonderful day. It's always a wonderful day when people come out and stand together for what's right in their communities and stand together for seniors in British Columbia. So thank you for being here today and for standing up. I've been to a few of these rallies in my time. People say, why do you keep going to the rallies? Do they do any good? And I say, absolutely they do. Because the only thing that does no good is shutting up when there's a crime going on. And what's happening to these people is a crime, sisters and brothers. It's a crime. They are being robbed of their ability to make a living by a company that's going to rip up their collective agreement essence and fire them all. I say to them, stop this action today and put this place back on an even trail with workers who do the job properly, because that's what's necessary.
The atmosphere at New Horizons has been becoming unbearably tense for residents and families and employers involved. What does the future of caring for our loved ones look like now that their jobs are going to be contracted out? They've been kicked to the curb.
Our membership is made up of family councils from facilities such as yours throughout the entire island. And because of that, I can tell you about contracting out and contract flipping that occasionally follows contracting out. Each facility is, of course, unique, but when friends and families complain, the complaints tend to be about the same kinds of things. There are concerns expressed, first of all, about staff turnover, and you've heard about that already today. But what does it actually mean? It means residents are losing familiar faces and care workers who are in a position to do things like detect small but significant health changes in those residents. And it means residents losing care workers who have become important friends in their daily lives. And there's lots of research to suggest, to clearly say that there is a health impact on seniors when those kinds of things happen.
I'm just actually blown away by the support that you're showing our workers out here and the members of this community. So thank you very much. On Wednesday, I understand we'll be presenting the petition in the House. So thank you for those 5,000 signatures. I want to thank the workers of New Horizons for standing up and the work they do for the seniors. It's about time that we realize that our seniors' care is not a commodity on the stock market. They're not for sale. Quality health care, quality service, and our seniors deserve better treatment.